I think I heard Sid. Safety kill!
Good job, buddy.
Are you dead? Why? Sorry, I didn't see you. Oh, good job. Safety kill, safety kill, safety kill! Safety kill! You got me, dude. Hey, I safety killed you. Wait, who's cheating? Who did? I just safety killed? Oh, okay, you should tell Ruff then. Hey. You get the right side target left. Bang bang! Here, safety kill! Oh yeah?
Oh yeah, good job.
Safety kill! Dude. Alright. Sorry. I shot.
Inhuman reactions!
Man, okay.